Hello friends, I hope so you all are fine. Welcome to my new video. In this video we will discuss about what does an attorney do. So come to my Google screen and see here. What does an attorney do? An attorney, also called a lawyer, advisor clients and represents them and their legal rights to both criminals and civil cases. This can be with imparting advising then process with preparing documents and sometime ultimately appealing in court to advocate on behalf of clients. There are too many attorney employees in 2016 according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Attorney duties and responsibilities. Attorney responsibilities can cover a wide range of duties and they might vary somewhat depending upon of area of law in which they practice. Some common duties includes advise clients regarding ongoing on to explain legal issues that might they facing on have concern about, research the detail and evidence involved the cases such as police reports, accident reports on previous fields in a case as well as applicable law, interpreted case law and decision handed down by other applicable courts. This can involve analyzing the effects of a good many facts that might have been involving in other cases. Developed cases strategies such as trying to resolve cases every and cost effectively on his client rather than go to trials. Prepare planning on other documents such as contract deeds and wills. Appear in court before a judge or jury to orally defend a client's right and the best interest. Attorney can be general practitioners and they might specialize in any one of the numbers of areas such as criminals law, real estate, corporate issues, estate and problems matters other than marriage law, everything. Attorney salary. Salary can depend up whether an attorney is a solo or work from a firm self-employed attorney to earn less. Median annual salary 120 $1,20,000. Top 10 annual salaries more than $2,08,000. Bottom 10% annual salaries $58,022. Next, education, training, and certificates. The career typically requires 7 types of full-time study, then counting education. Education after earning a bachelor degree, an aspiring attorney must earn a jury doctor degree from a school of law. The law school must generally be accredited by the American Bar Association to meet attorney licensing requirement in must state. Testing. Admission to the vast majority of law school required first passing the law school admission test which measure the candidate's efficiency for the studying law. Next, might also get practical experience while they are still in school, including community legal clients, participating in competition in practice trailers and working in summer a part job in law firm. Some also work for their school law journal administrators or the bar. Attorney must be admitted to the bar associate for the state in which they work to practice. This require passing to bar a written examination. They include taking a written exam as well in some state. Continuing education. There is not graduate as pass the bar and you are done profession. Many bar associates require that member must take continuing legal education courses year and sometime every 3 years to maintain the membership. Attorney skills and in addition in the education and licensing requirements, an attorney needs certain soft skills in excel in the field. Communication skills. An attorney must be able to communicate with both in writing and orally. They must also be excellent listeners. Nerves of steel. An attorney must remaining affiliate when things go wrong in court in front of the critical audience, and they sometimes will. Critical think skills. An attorney must have strong problem solving and critical think skills in order to identify problems and come up with solution. They choose the implement the best one. Reasonable skill. Much important. This professional requires being able to isolate and identify information. Interpersonal skills. The skills can be even more important in delicate areas of personalized such as family law in order to establish a sportive relationship with clients at time when they might not be their best. Job outlook. Attorney often begin their career as associate of a law firm after spending several years working with more seasoned attorney. They might work their way up to become partner of the firm. Some experienced lawyers become judge while others join law school facilities. The US Bureau of Labor static predict that job growth of attorney will be about 8%, which is as fast as the average all occupation from 2016 through 2026. Work environment. Most attorneys work in private or corporate practices, but local or state government or for the federal government employs others. Some serve in houses console in corporation, which mean they are actually employed by the companies they represent. Almost a quarter of all attorney as self employment. In all cases, however, the majority of the work is spent in offices. All attorney must sometimes travel to meet with clients, and depending on his specialist appears in court of trials. Confidence in criminal lawyers spend a portion of their time in prisoners with their clients are inaccurate. This is less common in some fields, however, such as state law. Some specialized involve much more in the ways of client attorney interact or meeting. This can be a very high pressure career which clients live in livelihood hanging in the balance. Work schedule. An attorney work involve continuously having to meet deadlines. This can result in a lot of overtime, particularly of solo who may not have assistant to rely upon. The majority of lawyers work full time, and many work more than 40 hours a week, particularly then employee has larger law firm or who work in private practices. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.